Start. Deforestation is a primary contributor to climate change. Land use changes, especially in the form of deforestation, are the second largest anthropogenic source of atmospheric carbon dioxide emissions after fossil fuel combustion. Greenhouse gases are emitted during combustion of forest biomass and decomposition of remaining plant material and soil carbon. Global models and national greenhouse gas inventories give similar results for deforestation emissions. Although deforestation and peatland degradation are only about 10% of global carbon dioxide emissions as of 2019, growing forests are also a carbon sink with additional potential to mitigate the effects of climate change. Some of the effects of climate change, such as more wildfires, may increase deforestation. Deforestation comes in many forms: wildfire, agricultural, clear cutting, livestock ranching, and logging for timber, among others. Forests cover 31% of the land area on Earth, and annually 75,700 square kilometers, so 18.7 million acres of the forest is lost. Mass deforestation continues to threaten tropical forests, their biodiversity, and the ecosystem services they provide. The main area of concern of deforestation is in tropical rainforests, since they are home to the majority of the planet's biodiversity. Averaged overall land and ocean surfaces temperatures warmed roughly 1 Celsius 1.8 Fahrenheit between 1880 and 2020, according to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. In the Northern Hemisphere, 1983 to 2012 were the warmest 30-year period of the last 1400 years. A large contributing factor to deforestation is the lumber industry. The reason behind this is due to logging. A total of almost 4 million hectares, 9.9 into 10 acres of timber is harvested each year. In addition, the increasing demand for low cost timber products only supports the lumber company to continue logging. The carbon emitted from the process of converting timber to wood products accounts for 15% of the carbon emissions in the environment. Deforestation is the main concern in tropical rainforests, since they are home to millions of animals and much biodiversity. Not only does the lumber industry impact local deforestation, but it also impacts the whole environment, as deforestation is a major driver of climate change. The expansion of the palm oil industry and increased demand has resulted in greater deforestation in tropical climatic regions. The estimated demand for palm oil is expected to surge to approximately double the amount today, 2040 MT in 2050. Palm oil serves two purposes which are highly in demand for anthropogenic use, edible use, and biofuel use. It is expected that biofuel demands are to surpass the demand for edible palm oil production. Overall, The demand increase is expected to result in greater palm oil expansion, which would contribute to further tropical deforestation. Livestock ranching requires large portions of land to raise herds of animals and livestock crops for consumer needs. Livestock ranching was established in Tejas at the time of the Spanish missions between 1820 and 1865 and was mainly driven by Mexican cowboys. Later, when the missions were closed and the priests and soldiers abandoned the area but leaving the cattle behind, the task was taken up by private citizens. After the Civil War, Texans began rounding up the cattle and selling northward to states such as Kansas and Illinois. According to Greenpeace, a non governmental global environmental organization, the cattle industry is responsible for a significant amount of methane emissions since 60% of all mammals on earth are livestock. Cows stop the largest cause of deforestation and acute degradation is agriculture. According to Wageningen University and Research Center, more than 80% of deforestation can be contributed to agriculture. Forests are being converted to plantations for coffee, tea, palm oil, rice, rubber, and various other popular products. The rising demand for certain products and global trade arrangements causes forest conversions, which ultimately leads to soil erosion. The top soil oftentimes erodes after forests are cleared, which leads to sediment increase in rivers and streams. Over time, land used for agricultural purposes degrades, resulting in unusable land, which causes producers to need to find new productive lands. Moreover, agricultural expansion plays a role in coupled systems that cause climatic effects that reach far beyond agricultural croplands. Stop.